The best laptops for programming in 2022. Our ultimate pick of the best laptops for programming money can buy. 01. MacBook Pro 16-inch, 2021. Specifications. CPU. Apple M1 Pro 10-core, M1 Max 10-core. Graphics. Integrated 16-core 32-core GPU. RAM. Up to 64 GB. Screen. 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display. Storage. Up to 8 TB. Apple's large MacBook Pro 16-inch is the best laptop for programming money can buy right now. Replacing the Intel-powered model from 2019, the MacBook Pro 16-inch 2021 comes with a choice of Apple's powerful M1 Pro or M1 Max chips, and these make short work of compiling and running even the most complex code. Not only does the MacBook Pro 16-inch compile code quickly, it's powerful enough to run you code in test environments, including emulated devices that allow you to see how your game or program works on a variety of products. We were incredibly impressed with how Xcode performed on the MacBook Pro 16-inch. So if you're a developer who specializes in Mac or iOS apps, then this is a brilliant choice. The large 16-inch screen is gorgeous, and makes looking at pages of code comfortable, and the ProMotion adaptive refresh rate means scrolling through code is smooth and responsive. The improved keyboard is another massive boost to this laptop's coding ability, as it's the incredible battery life that will allow you to keep coding throughout the day without needing to plug it in. Want to know more? Read our in-depth MacBook Pro 16-inch reviews. 02. Razer Blade 17, 2022, the best laptop for game development. Specifications. CPU. 12th generation Intel Core i7. Graphics. Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080 Ti. RAM. 32 GB DDR5. Screen. 17.3-inch QHD, 240 Hz, G-Sync. Storage. 1 TB M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD. The Razer Blade 17 is a fantastic laptop for coding on if you're working on games. Razer is a big name in PC gaming, and this laptop comes with Nvidia's latest Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080 Ti laptop GPU, which is extremely powerful. This allows you to work with complex 3D games that use cutting-edge tech, like ray tracing, and you'll be able to play your game afterwards to test how it runs. It's not just a gaming laptop, however, as it's built for creative professionals, and this means if you're a programmer working on heavy-duty projects, this is a laptop well worth considering. It's very expensive, but for your money you're getting some of the best mobile tech available right now. Combined with a great build quality and stunning 17-inch screen, this is a brilliant creative workstation for people who need a lot of power. Read our Razer Blade 17 review for more information. 03. MacBook Pro 14-inch, 2021, the best laptop for programming with a smaller screen. Specifications. CPU. Apple M1 Pro 8-core, M1 Max 10-core. Graphics. Integrated 14-core 32-core GPU. RAM. Up to 64 GB. Screen. 14-inch Liquid Retina XDR display. Storage. Up to 8 TB. Screen may be a bit small for some. While some coders may find having a larger 16-inch or 17-inch screen on their laptop makes programming more comfortable, other people may find those laptops too big and bulky to easily carry around. So, the 14-inch MacBook Pro is a great choice for anyone who wants a powerful laptop for programming on that's also more easily portable. It's powered by a choice of either the M1 Pro or M1 Max Apple chips, which are the same that come with the 16-inch model, and that means it offers a similar level of performance to the bigger laptop. So, if you want an incredibly powerful laptop for programming, but want something that's easily portable, then you can pick this laptop without sacrificing performance. The smaller size doesn't mean it misses out on the new design elements Apple added to the 16-inch model, as it comes with the same amount of ports, including an SD card slot, an HDMI port, and 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports. To find out more about why we gave this laptop 5/5 stars, read our MacBook Pro 14-inch reviews. 04. Apple MacBook Air, M2, 2022, a brilliant portable laptop for programming on. Specifications. CPU. Apple M2. Graphics. Integrated 8-core, 10-core GPU. RAM. 8 GB to 24 GB. Screen. 13.6-inch, diagonal, 2560 by 1664 LED backlit display with IPS technology. Storage: 256 GB to 2 TB SSD, more expensive than previous model. Gets hot when under pressure. The new Apple MacBook Air, M2, 2022, is a fantastic thin and light laptop for programming on. It comes with a range of improvements over the previous model, including a new 1080p webcam and a larger, brighter screen. It also packs the new M2 chip from Apple, which is a powerful bit of silicon that makes coding on the MacBook Air a real joy. It's powerful enough to compile code in seconds, and you can run simultaneous emulations and tests at the same time. Best of all, the MacBook Air, M2, 2022's battery life is amazing, lasting over 16 hours in our tests. So, you can work on this throughout the day without worrying about being plugged into a power source. It's not all good news, though, as it is quite a bit more expensive than the previous model, which means it's not quite as good value for money. The 2020 model, with an M1 chip, is still a fine laptop to program on, and is still on sale. It's definitely worth checking out if the M2 model is too pricey for your budget. Find out more in our full MacBook Air, M2, 2022, review. 05. LG Gram 17, 2021, the best large-screen laptop for programming. Specifications: CPU, 10th generation Intel Core i7. Graphics: Nvidia GeForce RTX 3000 series. RAM, up to 64 GB. Storage: 1 TB SSD. If you're after a large-screen laptop to do your coding on, then the LG Gram 17, 2021, is the perfect choice. It has a gorgeous screen that's high resolution and large, giving you plenty of workspace. However, this is a laptop that proves you don't have to sacrifice portability and comfort for screen size, as it's impressively light. This means you can comfortably carry it around with you. Perfect for anyone who travels a lot. When we tested it, we also found it to have one of the best battery lives we've seen in a Windows 10 laptop, mainly thanks to the new Intel 11th generation hardware. So, you can work anywhere you like, safe in the knowledge that the battery will easily last you a whole workday, and longer. See our full review of the 2019 LG Gram 17. 06. Asus ROG Flow Z13. A powerful thin and light laptop for programming on. Specifications: CPU, Intel Core i9-12900H, 14-core. Graphics: Intel Iris Xe, Nvidia RTX 3050 Ti. RAM, 16 GB. Screen: 13.4-inch, UHD+, IPS LCD storage, 1 TB SSD. This unique laptop brings incredible power to a supremely thin and light form factor. In fact, it might be the most powerful tablet PC we've ever tried. It features a powerful 12th generation 14-core Intel processor, which will handle all your coding needs with ease. It also comes with an RTX 3050 Ti graphics card, which is handy for anyone who wants to code and test games. The 16 GB of DDR5 memory also means this is supremely fast, and is ideal for people who want an easily portable laptop to code on. It has a thin keyboard, but some people may not find it that comfortable to code on for long periods of time, so a larger keyboard may be necessary, which is easy enough to plug in. This is pricey, but it's a completely unique laptop that could transform how you code. Also read, Asus ROG Flow Z13 Realm. 07. MacBook Pro 13-inch, M2, 2022. A refreshed and affordable MacBook Pro. Specifications: CPU, Apple M2 with 8-core CPU. Graphics, integrated 10-core GPU. RAM, 8 GB to 24 GB. Screen, 13.3-inch 2560 by 1600 display with P3 and True Tone technology. Storage, 256 GB 2 TB SSD, still only 2 Thunderbolt ports. The 13-inch MacBook Pro remains a brilliant laptop for programming on. It features Apple's brand new M2 chip, and this allows it to run apps with ease, and compile code quickly, and it's faster than the M1 chip in the previous model. It'll run your programming tools without any issues, and it still comes with the touch bar across the top of the keyboard, giving you quick access to tools and shortcuts, and can dramatically speed up your workflow. The new MacBook Pro 13-inch also boasts an incredibly long battery life. We've tested it ourselves and it's seriously impressive, allowing you to work all day and still have battery life left. It's not as powerful as the MacBook Pro 14-inch and 16-inch models, but it's more affordable, making it a great purchase for many programmers. Also read, MacBook Pro 13-inch, M2, 2022-08. Microsoft Surface Laptop 4. Windows programming on Microsoft's own hardware. Specifications. CPU. 11th generation Intel Core i5-i7, AMD Ryzen 5-7. Graphics. Intel Iris Z, AMD Radeon. RAM. 8GB to 32GB. Screen. 13.5-inch PixelSense, 2256 by 1504, touch. Storage. 256GB to 1TB SSD. Alcantara fabric might get gross over time. If you're a programmer working on Windows 10 apps in particular, then the Surface Laptop 4 could be the best laptop for you. As it's made by Microsoft, this is a brilliant showcase for Windows 10, so you can be sure your Windows apps run perfectly on the operating system. With Windows 11 now out, you can upgrade for free, and as you'd expect from a Microsoft device, the latest operating system works brilliantly on it. This model comes with a choice of 11th generation Intel Core processors, or AMD's finest mobile CPUs, as well as up to 32GB and a speedy SSD, which makes this an excellent laptop for even most intensive programming tasks. Best of all, our testing found that it has one of the longest battery lives we've seen in a laptop, which allows you to work out and about without worrying about being plugged into a wall socket. See our Surface 4 laptop review for more details. 09. HP Spectre X360, 2021, the best 2-in-1 laptop for programming. Specifications. CPU. 11th generation Intel Core i5-i7. Graphics. Intel Iris Z graphics. RAM. 8GB to 16GB. Screen. 13.3 inches FHD, 1920 by 1080, IPS BrightView Micro Edge WLED backlit multitouch 13.3, diagonal 4K, 3840 by 2160, UWVA BrightView Micro Edge AMOLED multitouch. Storage. 256GB 2TB SSD. The HP Spectre X360 2-in-1 laptop had a big refresh in 2021, and now packs some of the most impressive mobile hardware money can buy right now. This means 11th generation Intel Core processors, along with Intel Iris Z integrated graphics, which makes the HP Spectre X360 an absolute beast when it comes to programming. It's not just a powerful programming laptop, it's gorgeous as well, with a 2-in-1 design and gem-cut body that's thin, light and easily portable. It's got a great battery life, so you can comfortably work on it all day without worrying about having to plug it in. The 2-in-1 design means you can use it like a traditional laptop, but you can then fold the screen back and use it as a tablet as well. It offers a level of versatility that many of the other devices on this list lack. 10. Dell Inspiron 14-5000. A great laptop for programming if you're on a budget. Specifications. CPU. Intel Core i5-8265U, quad-core, 3.9 GHz max turbo boost. Graphics. Nvidia GeForce RMX 152GB GDDR5. RAM. 8GB. Storage. 256GB SSD. The Dell Inspiron 14-5000 is a great all-round laptop for programming, and it costs a lot less than many of the laptops on this list, but without skimping on features or performance. So, it's got a high-resolution Full HD display, a quad-core processor and fast SSD storage, all of which means this is a dependable laptop that will keep up with any of your demands while you're programming. Sure, it doesn't boast the premium style of its more expensive competitors, but if you're on a tight budget, you want a laptop that will do everything that you need it to, and you don't care about visual flair or features that you're never going to use in your day-to-day programming, then this is definitely a laptop worth considering.